What is on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an expensive video because the homie brought back his NISMO. The last video we did install his coilovers, and yeah, it's sitting about not that low. They actually are Bilsteins, right? Bilsteins, and yeah, pretty good. I always prefer BCs, but this will want to be different. But the car is sitting really good right now. Sitting low, cute, NISMO. But yeah, it needs a lot of work though. But that's why I brought the NISMO to the channel so we could work on it and make it look to Slow Z specs right over there. Yeah. This is what we got to do today. This fool did buy a Tomei exhaust, dual Tomei exhaust for the NISMO. You gotta go all out for a bang. I believe this is like one of the most expensive exhausts for the VQs, and not a lot of people have the dual exhaust, so probably this is gonna be one of a few people that is rocking the Tomei exhaust. And I always try to look up on IG like sound clips of it, and I never really found it, and it's kind of rare. But yeah, if you guys want the dual Tomei exhaust, you guys are gonna have to sell your arm, your legs, everything, your whole car, because this shit is expensive as fuck.
So it was like 3 bands.
Yes sir, it was like 3K, but you already know the homie's balling like that. Just wait till we have the wheels, huh? The wheels are gonna be like the cherry on top for this NISMO. So he doesn't like, the plans for the NISMO is not to go all out like the Z. It's always just keep it kind of stock, but make it look good. But yeah guys, today we're gonna be installing the dual Tomei exhaust on the NISMO today, and we're gonna give you guys a sound clip of how it sounds stock, and then a sound clip how it sounds with the dual Tomei exhaust. Everything is stock, by the way, on the NISMO. Stock cats, stock wide pipe, and yeah, let's get it going, because I'm actually excited to install it, because I've never heard of dual Tomei exhaust in person, so I'm experiencing it with you guys as well. But yeah, enough talking, and let's get going on this install. Bruh, I just peeped the welds. Sheesh. Alright, so obviously the first step is to take off the old exhaust. This is janky ass NISMO. Sheesh, hella dirty. Yes sir. Let me see if it's hot. Alright, so to remove the old stock, it is a hanger up here, and then a hanger right there, sir, and literally 2 bolts that are attached to the wide pipe over there, and this hanger. Honestly, like, the hardest part here is with the hangers, because obviously you've never taken off the exhaust, so it's probably gonna be a little headache taking those hangers off, but nothing but a WD-40 can help. Or you can spit on them too. Shit. Alright, so quick little update. We got the mid pipe in. She looks really good. We still need to put in the springs and the fat tips. And should be running. Should be sounding really good. Sheesh. Sheesh. When you don't know what you're doing.
I see what I'm doing. Pretty sure like that. It's true. What up, homie?
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Everything's on already. Hold up, fool. Shit looks fucking good. Sheesh. Alright, turn it on. Alright, give it a little revs. Yeah.
Wait, do it again. I'm recording for your Instagram.
Sounds good. That's what a dual Tomei exhaust sounds like.
You know what that sounds like? Like he has a flame mat.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it sounds like. I just pressed gas.
That's the brake. I need to figure out why is it like rattling.
Huh?
I need to figure out why is it rattling. It's probably one of the springs. So I remember when I put like tape on mine so it doesn't rattle. Is it red? Love it. I love it. Wait till
1 out of 10?
10. I wish I could afford a dual Tomei. Sheesh.
Bye. Oh, your hands are dirty.
Alright, later, fool. No worries. I look at this baby girl right here. This is when you're broke. And then you could afford a dual Tomei, man. Sheesh. Tell me that shit don't look nice. Watch, this build's gonna be good. Shit. This sounds good, huh?
Wow, that smells so good.
Poor Z. It needs a dual Tomei.
Poor Shalissa.
I'm gonna wash it right now. I'm gonna wash it. Bro, look at this shit. Hella dirty. Things hella like pollen.
Subscribe and like his video so he can afford a dual Tomei.
Yeah, make sure you share this video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you do everything so I could afford a dual Tomei. But I'm gonna go ahead and strap on the GoPro, and hopefully this gives you guys like good quality. You guys are doubting of buying the dual exit exhaust or the single exit. That's really up to you. What do you prefer? But if I were to have the money, I would have definitely copped the dual Tomei exhaust, because I mean, you can't say no to that, man. That shit is literally like so freaking, looks so freaking good. if I were to have the money, I would definitely call myself the dual Tomeis. But since I'm a broke boy, I got the single exit. All right, so hopefully it's a good angle. It's kind of a little bit towards this way, but that's the best I could do. Now secure everything, and yeah, let's go for a drive to show you guys how the dual Tomei exhaust sounds. This shit's about to fucking die, so I gotta make this shit quick. So this is how it sounds from the inside. It's really quiet just because of the cats. If you guys were to remove the cats, this shit is gonna be so freaking loud, like every other trumpet exhaust out here. I was literally one of them, so I can actually say that shit. Hopefully my GoPro doesn't fall off, because that sucks. Alright, let's go see if my GoPro is still on the NISMO. Sheesh! Didn't fly off and it's still recording. Thought that shit was gonna die. Honestly, I only use this GoPro for like things like this because I don't really care about this one. It could fly, it could do whatever it wants. But yeah, I don't really like to put my other GoPro, the newer one that I just got, but yeah, I got the job done. You feel me? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the dual Tomei exhaust or a single exhaust, a single Tomei. Also, let me know how it sounds, if it sounds the same or it sounds a little bit better, a little bit more weird. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and always make sure to subscribe, because this NISMO is going to turn from stock to a legit NISMO. I mean, it's already a legit NISMO, but a legit modified NISMO.